Hi sewing friends, welcome to my sewing room. My name is Beth, and if you're new, welcome. Today's quilt block is called Mountain Paths, and I'm using all green. I'm cutting 5 2-inch strips from 5 different greens, and then I will have a dark green strip, and then I will need 4 white strips or cream strips for the background fabric. Once all of my strips were cut, I put them together in little groupings. This first set will be a 2-strip set with a dark green, that'll be the center of my block, and one of the other greens. For the 9 patches, there are 4 9 patches in this block. I need 2 sets of 3 strips, one with the greens on the outside and one set with the green on the inside. And then I need one more set of a white and green for some 4 patches. All of my sets were put together with a 1/4-inch seam. I pressed towards the green fabric. Now I can cut my strip sets, and I will need 4 of these little chunks. For each block, I'll need 4 2-inch pieces from the dark and the regular green here. I also need to make 4 patches from this strip set, so I'll be cutting 8 2-inch chunks from this set of white and green. I need to make 4 9 patches, so I'll be cutting 4 from this strip set with the center green, and then I will cut 8 from the strip set that has those 2 outside strips. This is a great way to make 9 patches. If you sew your strips together and cut them into these little chunks, they come together really quick. Last but not least, I need 1 center square that's 2 inches. Now I need those big pieces of the white or the cream background, and these pieces, these rectangles, are 5 inches by 8 inches. Now that all of my elements are cut and ready to go, I'm going to begin by making my 4 9 patches. I also need 4 patches with this strip set that's been cut. So I put these together, and before you know it, I was almost ready to put my big quilt block together. I'm beginning in the middle with that 1 2-inch square, and I will set those 2 patches around that square, and it creates a cross right there in the middle, and then I will place my 4 patches in those 4 corners. My cream rectangles will sit there on the sides, and then I'll put the 9 patches in the corner. And when I begin piecing this, I'll begin in the middle and put that larger section together, and then I'll work around and put this block together. It measures 17 inches when it's all together. I think this is coming together really nicely with all those green fabrics. It might be fun to try it out with a variety of colors, but I liked sticking with the green this time. I thought I might place all of my blocks right next to each other, and I'll show you what that looks like. In the end though, I've decided I'll be adding sashing with 2-inch strips and another 9 patch in the corner for cornerstones. Here is the layout here that I prefer with those sashings with those strips and the 9 patches. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.